All right, guys, let's bust into it. eBay starting off tonight. It's going to be a 2020 Topps Tristar Hidden Treasures Autograph Baseball. I said Topps. Tristar Hidden Treasures Autograph Baseball. So you got one autograph baseball per box. Ton of big names, including the grand treasure of Jackie Robinson. So we pulled Johnny Bench. It was the last Monday night. So a huge name that we pulled out of here. Let's see if we can pull another one. So here's your list of teams. Brian D, you've got the Diamondbacks, the Braves, the Orioles, the Cubs, the Reds, the Indians, Rockies, Astros, Marlins, A's, Phillies, Pirates, Giants, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. Donnie, you've got the White Sox and the Mets. Drew B, you've got the Tigers, Royals, Brewers, and Cardinals. George has got the Padres and the Mariners. Rick M with the Red Sox, Angels, Dodgers, and Yankees. And then Shannon, you've got the Minnesota Twins. All right, so there are your teams, so good luck. Jay, you didn't mention the one real New York team, man. You didn't mention my Mets. But being that you're a Yankees guy, I'm not surprised you didn't mention the Mets. All right, what do we got here? So, Mickey something. Two-time World Series champ inscribed. Now, if the team is not listed, well, two-time World Series champ, so if it's the same team, that's obviously who it'll go to. Typically, we do length of service, whatever team the team played for the longest. It's going to be a Mickey Rivers. '76 All-Star. So let's see who he played with. All right, so Texas, California Angels, I would assume that is, early 70s, and then 4 years with the Yankees. So he played the most amount of games with Texas. So that one should be Texas Rangers. It does say it's two-time World Series champ, so that actually may, because of the inscription, if it's the same team, which it probably is. Yeah, so he won 2 with the Yankees, so technically that actually is going to be the Yankees because of that inscription. So Rick, that one actually is coming to you. So because of that inscription, two-time World Series champs, both with the Yankees, then that's who it actually is going to go to. So Rick, congratulations, man. We'll get that in the mail to you tomorrow. And we'll do another box of this coming up on Monday night. So it'll end on Saturday on eBay. We'll break it here next Sunday.